How do you get rich? Rich is all relative, so there's certain things you need to do in order to put yourself in the best position to be rich. The first thing you need to do is live like a student. Number two, you shouldn't use credit cards. You're better off using a debit card when you need to just not use cash. Number three is save up 6 months' income. If you don't like your job at some point, or you get fired, or you have to move, or something goes wrong, you're going to need at least 6 months income. Then what I would do is probably put it into the cheapest SPX, Standard & Poor's mutual fund that I could find. That you're better off when you see a sale. So for instance, if hopefully we're all using toothpaste every day, right? A couple of times a day. And we're going to go through toothpaste every month, whatever it may be. You're better off buying 2 years worth of toothpaste when it's on 50% discount. That's an immediate return on your money. Any of your reusables, consumables that you have to have, when they're on a huge sale on Amazon, buy them, because chances are their prices are going to go up. But that's a real savings that you get to put in your pocket. Negotiating with cash is a far better way to get a return on your investment. I used to love to walk through bookstores when there were bookstores everywhere, and if there's something that caught my eye and I thought it can give me one idea, to spend $30 to give one idea that could help propel me, make my businesses better, it was a bargain. The Only Investment Guide You'll Ever Need by Andrew Tobias used to get me all fired up. I'll read hours every day because all it takes is one little thing to propel you to the next level. When you're nice to people around you, when you're caring, when you're empathetic, you're always going to get more results. Running a company is not easy, it's hard. But the one thing that you can control in life is your effort. Work hard.